Dreaming of fresh beans but short on garden space? Pole beans are your answer, even in containers. With the right approach, you can enjoy a prolific harvest all summer long. Container choice is crucial for healthy pole beans. Select a pot with excellent drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fabric grow bags or large pots, at least 12 inches wide and deep, work wonderfully. Consider self-watering systems like water-storing crystals or coir to reduce watering frequency. Pole beans thrive in rich, well-draining soil. Amend your soil with an inch of compost or aged manure before planting. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart when frost risk is gone. Soaking seeds for 12 hours can speed up germination. Add a legume inoculant for extra nitrogen. Pole beans are vining crops that can reach 10 feet tall. They absolutely need a sturdy support structure to climb. Install your trellis, teepee, or bamboo poles before sowing seeds. This prevents disturbing delicate roots later on. Tomato cages can work, but taller supports are better. Water your beans regularly, aiming for about an inch per week. Direct water to the soil, not the leaves, to prevent mildew. Mulch with straw or shredded leaves to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize with a slow-release organic vegetable fertilizer at planting and again as plants mature. Harvest pods frequently to encourage continuous production. Gently pick beans to avoid damaging the vines. Growing pole beans in containers is incredibly rewarding, even in the smallest spaces. You'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, homegrown beans. Ready to start your own bean tower? Share your container gardening tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical gardening advice.